Hey everyone, welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Victoria, and today we're talking about something super simple, but super powerful, how to talk about your day in English.
And I'm Mike. Honestly, this topic sounds easy, but it's one of the best ways to practice English every single day.
Exactly. If you can describe your day naturally, you can describe anything. It's real, it's personal, and it helps you think in English.
Let's start with the morning. Victoria, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly, I fight with my alarm clock every single morning.
You and me both. I always hit snooze and then run around like I'm in a movie chase scene.
Right? Okay, so if you're listening right now, repeat after us. I woke up late. I brushed my teeth. I made coffee. I checked my phone. Simple, real sentences, and they're gold for your English practice.
Exactly. You don't have to say, I commenced my daily routine. Just be natural. Say what you actually do.
Yes, no one talks like a grammar book. You're not in an exam. You're in real life.
Now let's move to the afternoon, the I need more coffee part of the day.
Oh, that's my favorite part. I love coffee breaks. It's when all the funny stories happen.
Exactly. Like last week, I ordered an iced latte, right? And the barista said, name. I said, Mike. She looked at me and wrote Mick as an M-I-C, like a microphone.
Oh my God, that's perfect for a podcast host. Here's your mic, Mike.
Exactly. And see, that's what I mean. You can turn anything from your day into English practice. Tell your small, funny stories. That's how your speech becomes natural.
Yes, you can say things like, I met a friend. I went shopping. Something funny happened. It's not about being perfect. It's about expressing yourself.
Exactly. English isn't only about words, it's about emotions. If you laugh, get angry, or feel proud, talk about that.
Now, when the day ends, you can use that time to reflect in English. Before bed, try saying 3 sentences about your day.
Like, today was busy, but I felt good. I finished my work on time. I watched my favorite show and relaxed.
Exactly. No pressure, no translation, just your day, your words.
And if you want to level up, record it on your phone. 1 minute, that's it. Then, after a week, listen to yourself. You'll hear your progress.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Please don't. Laugh at them. I once said, I'm going to cooked dinner.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I said, wait, so you're traveling back in time?
Exactly. Mistakes make learning fun, not scary.
Let's be real. You don't need to live in the US or the UK to practice English. You just need to live your life in English.
Yes, that's the secret. Every single day gives you free English material. Your morning, your work, your food, your feelings.
Here's a quick exercise for everyone listening. When you wake up tomorrow, say out loud, Good morning. I'm ready for the day. And at night, say, Today was great. I learned something new.
Do that every day for 1 week and watch how your fluency changes. You'll start thinking in English without even trying.
So remember, your day isn't boring. It's your English teacher.
Yes, talk about your life, your thoughts, your funny moments, even your mistakes. That's how you build real confidence.
You don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to be brave enough to start talking.
Exactly. So tonight, tell your story. Say it out loud, even if it's just to yourself, because every day is a new chance to practice.
And remember, don't just learn English, live it.